Right, Puta. Now when you wants to speak up any sprite, so this is Abby. Okay, so if you want to speak that object, you have to, when you click, you have to set the voice to speak and speak, hi, what is your name? Okay, then say hi, what is your name for 2 times. Say hi, what is your name? So I'll just click on this one.
Hi, what is your name?
So you can see it will display. So if I have changed the voice to alto and I'll click on this one.
Hi, what is your name?
So you can see the voice has changed. If you want to change as giant, you are doing this.
Hi, what is your name?
So you can see as you want, you can change it. So how you can do this one? So I'll take another sprite. I'll search from here and I'll take average. Okay, so here you have, I'll give minus 90. Okay, it has rotate. So what we can do when we have clicked, when we click on the sprite, okay, we'll take it set. Okay, we want to change it. Okay, we'll do something like this. Close. I have given here minus 90. Okay, I'll change it something like this. Okay, now I want to speak this object. So when I click on this sprite, I want to talk to this one. So I'm making like this. Now I am moving to this sound position. From here I want to read a text to speech. Okay, so from here I am taking set the voice to like this, and I'll give turn. Okay, anything you can give from here, anything you can select, you just change it and check. Then I'm taking speak. So here I'm going to give hello, I am Ed. What is your name? Okay, something like this. But when I click on this sprite, okay, so you can
Hi, what is your name?
I'm Ann. What is your name? Hello, I'm Ann. What is your name? Hello, I'm Ann. What is your name?
So you can see when you click on this sprite,
Hello, I'm Ann. What is your name?
Hello, I'm Ann. So you can change the voice if you want, something like this. Then
Hello, I'm Ann. What is your name?
so you can give something like that. So it is not displaying a message. If you want to display the message, you can go to looks, and from here you can put it like this, and the same thing you can copy. How you can copy? As I have mentioned, Control and C, you're clicking here, and Control V, and now you can see when you click on this,
Hello, I'm Ann. What is your name?
now you can see it will display for 2 seconds. If you want 4 more seconds, you can change here. I have given 2 now. If you can give 5, now you can see.
Hello, I'm Ann. What is your name?
So it will happen when you click on this sprite only. Remember that. Okay.